What was that? Good morning, y'all. So today I will be doing my hair. I need to wash my hair. It is time to do it. Like, y'all, I had to take those braids out because those braids was like really like breaking up my face. I can't have braids in my hair for a long time. I used to wash braids in my hair, but I don't like doing that no more because I feel like that's like a waste and I feel like it's still dirty. I don't know, that's just me. Sometimes I do it, sometimes I don't, but most likely now I don't do it no more. So that is something that I just don't mind, just taking them out and doing them over if I want them back in or whatever I need to do. But y'all see this hair is definitely natural, and I had cut my hair a while ago because I felt like it was not growing. It is time for a trim on my natural hair, so that's what I'll be doing today. I did not have a much breakfast, but I do have my little drink. So that's what I'm going to be doing, drinking my drink. And this is my green supplement drink, and I will leave the link to all the information down below. But I just love this drink. But today we are doing some hair care day, okay? But yeah, I will be showing you all the products that I will be using, so that is another plus. These are products that I use, that I purchase. I will leave the link to them down below, like I said. But y'all, my hair is growing so good. Like, so good. And y'all can't believe how short I cut it. I wish I could find a picture where I could show you how short it was. Like, it was literally like boy status, like short. So it's actually growing good. So we're gonna get started, and I'm gonna prepare and get my stuff ready so we can start washing this baby.
Yeah, I find why I give you what you need. I know what you like. I really love me. Tell me something, yes, that I try to need you, but I need some lessons. I need to give it all. I got to live what I got. I don't know why you're the one. Turn me out of my mind. You don't need no other one.
So now that I am done washing my hair, it looks so good, so healthy. The shrinkage is definitely real at this point. Definitely real. So I am about to blow dry my hair. I'm going to spray some heat protectant spray on my hair first. And it is black castor oil heat protecting. I got this from the local beauty supply store. So I'm only doing this because My hair is natural and I don't want it to get so damaged. So I'm going to be using my ceramic 1875 iconic styler, and this is by Kiss, the brand. So I really love this because of the comb. I feel like with the regular blow dryer, like I have so much of a hard time blow drying my hair. So I had got this from the local beauty supply store too. So definitely go check out your local beauty supply store. You could probably even check Sally's and see if they have an affordable one. But I like this one. I've been having it for a while. As y'all can see, some of the teeth are gone. Cause girl, this hair, it just be giving me problems. So that's what I'm about to do right now. So now that I'm done blow drying, I'm just going to part it in 4 sections, and I'm going to go in with my Wild Growth. I like using this Wild Growth. I've been using it for a while now, and it has been making my hair grow. My hair got this length because of this oil that I just put in my hair. Like look at my hair, look at my scalp. It looks so freaking clean, like so clean. I definitely needed to like wash my hair. So I love using that Wild Growth though. Like y'all, hands down, y'all need to get it. Wild Growth, y'all need to be sponsoring me, okay? Cause listen, this is working wonders on my hair, and my hair was like just like that, okay? So I'm just gonna go in, I'm gonna part it in 4 sections, and then I'm just gonna be placing a Wild Growth throughout my hair. I don't like putting a lot because it's thick, but I don't want my hair to be too oily. And then that is it. So let me get started. am all done with oiling my hair. It feels so good, smells so good. That's how you're supposed to do your hair. Like, make sure y'all maintain your hair and get your hair to grow. And that is a part of self-care. I am on a journey with my natural hair again because I permed it the last time and I wasn't taking good care of it. As you can see, there's still some like perm tips here, but I'm not cutting this. I've just been trimming it down, and it has been growing. So and also too, I have put some heat towards it. But make sure y'all taking care of your hair, making sure y'all doing what y'all have to do, and that is a part of self-care. So now I am about to put some twist in my hair and then I'm going to go to sleep. But I just wanted to show y'all my routine of how I wash my hair. It's nothing too crazy. I could not find my brush, my detangler brush, but I normally use a detangler brush in the shower and some other stuff, but I didn't really need it because I knew that this is going to be like a good quick wash at the end of the day, and I kind of did it the last wash. I am going to go and get my ends clipped professionally because I felt like I couldn't see too much in the back, and I do clip my ends, but I just feel like I want to get it professionally done and get it treated. A hot oil treatment from this lady that I have met that y'all will see very soon. But I just love making sure my hair, my face, everything is up to par and feeling good. This is a part of feeling good. This one makes me feel good, keeping myself together, and you know, just making sure everything is fine. My hygiene, everything is fine. So I just love using the different products. This hair growth, y'all better go get it. This is called Wild Growth. Like I said, it's a hair oil. I've been using it for a while, and especially when I was natural. So this is actually making my hair grow really fast. Like I said, I am definitely into using more healthier products. So anything that I use on my hair, I will definitely let y'all know and put y'all onto. But I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and I'm going to see y'all next time.